Hi, I'm Chili Phil. Today, I'm doing a little something different. Going to do Yellowbird's organic sriracha sauce. I'm not really into the organic things, but this one caught my eye when I was at the store today. It has organic red jalapeno peppers, organic distilled vinegar, organic garlic, organic oats, organic salt, organic tangerine juice concentrate, organic lime juice concentrate. This caught my eye when I was at the store, but you know, this might be a winner. It might have a little bit of heat because of the jalapenos. Well, we'll find out. Ooh, wow. Got the sriracha smell to it. But we'll find out what it has in a minute. Gonna put a nice little dab on here, like right there. Look at that. Oh, smells like it would be really awesome on some pizza. You could definitely feel the heat from the peppers. The jalapeno is really kicking. Not real bad. Comes in maybe like a 1.5. You could definitely taste the garlic, which will give the distinctive sriracha taste to it. And the sweetness of the lime juice. Very good. And I'll give it 5 stars, and I highly recommend it. It will really go good on pizza or some wings. This would be really good on like a Mountain Night for wings. So definitely go to your store. If you see this, pick up a bottle. It's worth the try. I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn.